Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to fold the traditional star box. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be posting a new video out related to origami every single week. The traditional star box, it's a lovely piece and it's simple to make, at the same time practical as well. You could always use it as a container to put erasers and paper clips and have it on the side of your desk, and it'll look really nice as a decoration. My sister taught me how to make this one back in elementary school. The reason why we learned how to make the traditional star box was back then in elementary school there was a myth that was floating around the students. This myth was, if you make 100 paper stars, then your wish would come true. Usually these wishes were romantic wishes, and the traditional star box was the perfect container to put these 100 paper stars. So let's enjoy the clip together. And here you have it, the traditional Starbox. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Click the playlist on the left for more paper airplanes. Click the playlist on the right for more awesome origami videos like this.